I'm Richie Armagost. I'm here to give you your Edinboro Essentials Sports update. We're starting off with women's soccer this week. On Wednesday, the Scots tied 0-0 against Mercyhurst. Goalie Kaylee Laurel had 9 saves, securing the tie for Edinboro. On Saturday, women's soccer tied again, 2-2 against Seton Hill, giving Edinboro the 4th tie for this season. The Fighting Scots women's volleyball team won 3-0 against Seton Hill, with Erica Sharp finishing the game with a team-high 5 blocks and 7 kills. Then on Saturday, they lost 3-0 against Pitt Johnstown. The football team faced a tough loss over homecoming weekend to Gannon for a second year in a row, losing 35-17. The men's and women's cross-country teams finished 9th and 10th place Saturday morning in a highly competitive Lewis crossover. Edinboro's Kylie Anick finished 2nd with a time of 21 minutes and 9 seconds. Coming up for this week, Tuesday, women's volleyball goes up against Slippery Rock. Then they will be at Macomb Fieldhouse going up against IUP this weekend. Then on Saturday, the football team goes up against IUP at Sox Harrison Stadium. And on Wednesday, the women's soccer team goes up against Gannon, with another game against Deauville on Saturday. That's all for your sports update this week. For more details and updates on our Fighting Scots sports, go to GoFightingScots.com.